Don't forget to subscribe to US Classic Muscle Cars. Alright, hi, my name is Ben. This is my grandfather, Dennis. And this is a 1972 Nova Super Sport. We've been working on this car for 6 years. It's been a lot of blood, sweat in this car. It's a cranberry red, and it's got a M20 4-speed manual transmission, 350. It's got a big block motor, small block, sorry. 4-speed on the floor. It's all original. It's either the whole front to the firewall has been taken off, all replaced, all rebuilt, straight from the factory.
Wow, this is a sharp car, isn't it? It's nice?
Yes, this has been to a lot of car shows, has been a lot been done with it. We've won many awards with it. This would be our 22nd trophy if we win today.
Oh, really? Cool. And what do you like most about the car?
I would say that this is an original car. There are not a lot of Novas left. A lot of people modify them, soup them up. There's not really a lot of original Novas left. It's a new vinyl top, air conditioned.
So clean. Do you use a special wax on it?
What? Mother's? McGuire's wax we use. The top just looks like the bottom, spotless.
And I like the running boards over here.
Yes, the running boards are original too.
That is so cool. Now, does he ever let you kind of like drive it, or does he take it on a trip or something like that?
Not yet.
Not soon, right?
Yeah. 2 more years.
There you go. And then come on over here to the back. Look at that. So is that plate meaning 1972?
No. The plate in the front is the original plate from Canton, Ohio. It's where the car spent most of its life.
You know what's cool about this show today is that you got the red on green.
Right.
Oh no? That looks so cool. I've never seen a car this deep red before.
It's cranberry red, the exact name.
And then is he going to do anything else to the car?
We got a few things. Steering box we gotta adjust.
Wow. You know your stuff. What about airplanes? Do you like airplanes too? Or cars?
Cars.
There you go.
Alright, thank you for watching US Classic Muscle Cars. Hope to see you next time.